Causes of the war. Won by the early 1900s, Europe was divided into two alliances: the Triple Entente Britain, France, Russia, and the Triple Alliance Germany, Austria-Hungary, Italy. 2. Rising nationalism made ethnic groups and empires like Austria-Hungary and the Ottoman Empire demand independence. 3. Imperial rivalries, especially in Africa and Asia, increased tensions among European powers. 4. A massive arms race, especially between Britain and Germany, fueled suspicion and fear. 5. A web of secret treaties meant any conflict could quickly draw in all the major powers. Spark of War. 1. On June 28, 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary was assassinated in Sarajevo by a Serbian nationalist. 2. Austria-Hungary issued an ultimatum to Serbia. Serbia's response failed to satisfy Austria. 3. On July 28, Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia, triggering alliance obligations. 4. Russia mobilized to defend Serbia. Germany declared war on Russia and then on France. 5. Germany invaded Belgium to reach France, bringing Britain into the war on August 4. 1914. Early battles and stalemate. 1. Germany's Schlieffen Plan aimed to quickly defeat France before turning to fight Russia. 2. The German advance was stopped at the First Battle of the Marne in September 1914. 3. A trench warfare stalemate developed on the Western Front, stretching from the North Sea to Switzerland. 4. The Eastern Front saw large battles between Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Russia, with sweeping advances and retreats. 5. Both sides hoped for a quick victory, but the war dragged on into years of brutal fighting. New weapons and global war. 1. World War I introduced deadly new technologies: machine guns, poison gas, tanks, airplanes, and submarines. 2. Battles like Verdun and the Somme saw millions of soldiers killed or wounded for little territorial gain. 3. The Ottoman Empire joined the Central Powers, expanding the war to the Middle East. 4. Colonial troops from Africa, Asia, and Oceania fought for their European empires. 5. Naval blockades and submarine warfare affected global trade, causing shortages and hardships. U.S. enters and wars end. 1. In 1917, Germany resumed unrestricted submarine warfare, sinking American ships and angering the U.S. 2. The Zimmermann Telegram, in which Germany proposed an alliance with Mexico against the U.S., pushed America closer to war. 3. In April 1917, the United States declared war on Germany, providing fresh troops and resources to the Allies. 4. Germany launched a final offensive in spring 1918 but was pushed back by Allied counterattacks. 5. Facing revolution at home and exhausted troops, Germany agreed to an armistice on November 11, 1918. Aftermath and consequences. 1. World War I killed an estimated 16 million people and wounded over 20 million more. 2. Empires collapsed. Austria-Hungary, Ottoman, German, and Russian empires dissolved into new countries. 3. The 1919 Treaty of Versailles blamed Germany for the war, imposed harsh reparations, and redrew borders. 4. The League of Nations was created to prevent future wars but proved ineffective. 5. Economic hardship, resentment, and unresolved issues from we set the stage for World War II.